Hi, Azza here. In today's video, I want to share with you 20 useful keyboard shortcuts that help you to be more productive and save time. Keyboard shortcuts can make our life so much easier as a computer user. Computer users divided into groups: those who prefer to use their mouse or those who would rather to use hotkeys. So let's jump in.
At first, we are going to review and talk about very general shortcuts which you probably know. Then, we are exploring more shortcuts options. Please keep watching. Number 20 is the cool one. First, I start off with the shortcuts that are extremely useful but are also very common, so you probably know them. Shortcuts like Ctrl C, copy the selected item, and Ctrl V, paste the selected item. Let's check. Select or highlight the text file item you wish to copy. Press Ctrl C to copy. Now press Ctrl V to paste. An easier way to move text or image around. There is another common shortcut, Ctrl X, to cut the selected item. If you want to delete the text or image from the original place, press the Ctrl X at the same time. So first, select the item, text, and press Ctrl X. You can cut the item and paste the item where else. To reverse your last action, press Ctrl Z. You can reverse more than one action. Ctrl Z is a keyboard shortcut most often used to undo the previous action. Select and delete the text. Now you want to undo your action. Just press Ctrl Z. Your text is back. In Microsoft Word, using the backspace key will delete one character at a time. But did you know that what is even more useful is holding down the Ctrl key and then tapping on the backspace key? Will delete the entire word. Let's check. First, delete with backspace. Now hold the Ctrl key. This deletes the sentence and paragraph quicker. Hold down Ctrl plus the Home key is a keyboard shortcut that moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Also, Ctrl plus the End key moves the cursor to the end of the document. When you are in a Word document, to quickly jump to the top, hold down Ctrl and the Home key, like that. And holding down Ctrl and the End key will take you to the bottom of the document. Now move to Windows logo key keyboard shortcuts. Windows logo key plus D, display and hide the desktop. If you are in a program and you want to see your desktop, holding down the Windows key plus D will minimize your open windows, showing your desktop. Also holding down the Windows key plus D again will bring your open windows back. Windows logo key plus E, open File Explorer. Did you know to open File Explorer, holding down the Windows key plus E will open the File Explorer. Windows logo key plus I, open Settings. Instead of going to the Start menu to open Settings, holding down the Windows key plus I will open the Setting menu. This shortcut will help you to open the Setting menu fast when you need it. You probably know Windows logo key plus L lock your PC. You can use this anytime you need to get up from your computer and have a break. Let's jump to Dialog Box shortcuts. Ctrl Tab, move forward through tabs. When you have so many open tabs, you can easily move forward through tabs by holding Ctrl Tab. For example, if you have 4 open tabs in your browser, you could press Ctrl Tab to switch between each of those tabs, going left to right without using your mouse. Ctrl Shift T, it reopens the last closed tab. If you have multi-tabs opened and suddenly close one of those tabs that you didn't intend to close, you could bring them back by press Ctrl Shift T all at the same time. The closed tab is open again. Ctrl and Number, move to Number tab. When you have multi-tabs, you can move through tabs by holding Ctrl and Number. Number refers to tab's number, something like Ctrl and number 2. Move to tab number 2. File Explorer keyboard shortcuts. Select the address bar. Alt-T is a keyboard shortcut most often used to select the URL in the address bar in Internet browsers. Just press Alt-T and the address bar selected. Ctrl F. Select search box. Ctrl F is a shortcut in your browser or operating system that allows you to find phrases quickly. It's a universal find search command. You can use it to browse a website in a Word or Google document, even in a PDF file. Ctrl N. Open new window. Ctrl N is a keyboard shortcut most often used to create new document, windows or workbook. Means in all major internet browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, pressing Ctrl N open a new application window. Ctrl W. Close the active window. The fast way to close the active window without using a mouse is just to press Ctrl W. Ctrl Shift N. Create a new folder, start a new cognito. When you are in a file explorer, to create a new folder, just press Ctrl Shift N and folder created. To start a new incognito session in Chrome, just press Ctrl Shift N. A new window appears with a slightly different coloring and secretly browser person icon at the top. To close the incognito session, just press Alt F4 as you normally would close a program. Alt P. Display the preview panel. A great shortcut for File Explorer is Alt P to preview a file before you have to open it. So if I open up a File Explorer, let's say that you are not sure which one of these documents is the one you want. You just select the file and press Alt P. We'll open a preview panel and you can see exactly what that file looks like. Alt-Enter. Open the Properties dialog box for the selected item. In Windows, press Alt-Enter when any file is highlighted. It will open the property window for that file or object. In all major internet browsers, press Alt-Enter, open a new search engine tab. For example, if you type spring in the address bar and then press Alt-Enter, search for the spring opens a new tab. The last but not least, Windows logo key plus semicolon or period. Open emoji panel. Just press Windows logo key, press period to open the emoji panel on Windows 10. That's cool. Which emoji is your favorite? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.